Mirror your TV to another TV, a simple guide.
Welcome to our guide on mirroring your TV to another TV. In this video, we'll be diving into the best ways to accomplish this, making it easy for you to share content across different screens in your home. This could be perfect for multi-room viewing or setting up a home theater experience. Remember, safety first. Always turn off and unplug your devices before making any connections.
What do you need?
Before we start, you'll need a few things. Firstly, you'll need two TVs with HDMI ports. Next, you'll need an HDMI splitter. This device takes one HDMI source and splits it into two outputs, allowing the same signal to be sent to two displays. Lastly, you'll need two HDMI cables to connect everything.
How to connect everything?
Now that we've got all our equipment ready, let's get to the actual setup. 1. Turn off and unplug your TVs. Safety first. 2. Connect the HDMI splitter to your source device. This could be a cable box, game console, or streaming device. Simply plug one end of an HDMI cable into your source device, and the other end into the input port of the HDMI splitter. 3. Connect the HDMI splitter to your TVs. Using the second HDMI cable, connect one end to one of the splitter's output ports, and the other end to your first TV's HDMI port. Repeat this process with another HDMI cable for your second TV. 4. Turn on your devices. Power on your source device and both TVs. You should see the same image from the source device mirrored on both TVs.
Troubleshooting tips.
If you're not seeing an image on one or both of your TVs, here are a few troubleshooting tips. Check your HDMI connections. Make sure all cables are securely connected and not loose. Try different HDMI ports. Sometimes, certain ports may not work as expected. Test different ports on your TVs to see if this resolves the issue. Test your HDMI cables and splitter. If possible, use different HDMI cables and a different splitter to determine if there's a problem with any of your equipment. And there you have it. You've now mirrored your TV to another TV. With this setup, you can enjoy the same content on multiple screens in your home. As always, if you have any further questions, please leave a comment below. We hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.